today's video is all about me trying to make this look a bit better. You see distance, it doesn't look too bad, but if we come up close and see, I'll show you how bad it really is. I don't know if you can see it all here, but basically there's all these scratch marks all over the car, and everything is just basically lots of little scratches, lots of little marks that I need to try and work out how to get rid of. So, as you've seen, there's lots of scratches on this door, and there's lots of scratches pretty much all over the car. I'm not expecting perfect results, but I'm just expecting to make the car just to look a little bit better than what it is. So what I've got is I've got some product here, and all I've got to do is simply wipe down the car. So, well, clean the area first that I'm going to try and do. Oh, got a bit of water on it. Just clean the area with a bit of water, plain water, nothing else. Just wipe it down. Okay, take all the dirt off the car, like that. Oh no, it looks better already, shiny. And then yeah, you have to excuse the noise, for some reason there's a lot of traffic today. Yeah, and then just get a little bit on my towel. Ooh, did a bit too much. I want a clean microfiber towel, and all I've got to do now is just apparently circular motions, medium to light pressure. Because I've got so much on there, I can just spread it around a bit more, I guess. And then once I've done that, I'll just get another clean microfiber. Another clean microfiber towel. Just buff it out, and hopefully, just like that, looks a bit better. So, sorry, let me grab my stuff again. It's just a matter of rinse and repeat now. Hopefully, should look better after constant scrubbing it now. So, see you in a minute after I scrub this. Whew, done. Let me show you the difference between the door now. I don't know if you can see on the camera here, but this is now a lot better than what it was. There's no more scratches, there's no more real deep marks in it. It just looks a hell of a lot better than what it did before, which is great. Okay, so for the first panel, not too bad with results. I'm now go around the rest of the car and finish it all off. But I'm just going to leave the video here for today because I'm not actually feeling too well, so apologies for the short one, but I promise you in the next video there will be a bigger project and something I'm a bit more worried about, so I'll see you in the next one.